All right, guys, here we go. Drag racing on Woodward Avenue. I'm gonna light them up right now. Don't get any closer than this, I tell you that. Look at all those people sitting in the stands over there. Even the people that paid VIP, they're over there. I'm right here, okay? That's what you do when you're sneaky like me. You sneak into the best places. Got the girl getting the burnout box ready. Got Joe Gibbs getting ready to flag the race or at least pull them up. Is this freaking cool or what? These guys are about to burn them up. Something obviously went wrong with his bump box or something like that. He had a little issue and it couldn't get a good burnout, so that may be good for him though on this street. You know, you don't want your tires too hot on a basic street road. So turned out it was not good for him to not have a burnout. He did not get very good traction. And it looks like the 55 took that race. See, guys are putting the tape on the back quarter panels behind the tire. That's to kind of save the paint and keep the tire off of there. This guy's got a drag tire on the back, so got to be set up to get some grip with that thing. All right, Dodge. Woo! That Challenger brought the front tire off the ground, y'all. On the street. Tiny little bit, but he got it up. Tire stuck to the shoe. That's what happens when you're the water box person. She's got to get that off her shoe.
Actually, it's the first.
Drag racing on Woodward. They're at it. All right. We got us a El Camino. Kind of looks like the Earl Camino. See what this baby can do.
He's gotta beat that Alfa Romero.
I don't know if he can beat that Alfa.
Whatever it is.
You guys think that he can beat that Alfa? I don't know. It's got a 1320 video sticker on it.
Yeah, it's horsepower.
You know, that adds a lot of horsepower there, you know? I'm not going to be surprised if it takes off on the Earl Camino.
Yeah. Hopefully we get a good pass.
What are you guys running today?
The 14 Mustang with a blower.
14 Mustang with a blower? Okay. All right. Neither one of them got a good burnout, but I don't know if they really need a good burnout with these two cars. took him. Excuse me for coughing so much in the video. Haven't had a drink in quite a while. All right, we got us a second gen, maybe a 79. Looks like he just got it painted. Nice. Looks like he brought it out here before they wet sanded and buffed it. That's cool. Got to get the car out here, get it ready to run. Yeah. What do you guys think? That second gen's got a chance against that Hellcat?
He's about to blow that Hellcat out of the water.
You think he's gonna blow that Hellcat out of the water? All right, let's see how it turns out for the old Gen 2. Hellcat took him. That was close though. All right, check this baby out. The flashback. That's freaking cool. Rev limiter kind of caught him on that. Hopefully that rev limiter not allowing him to get a good burnout won't hurt him on this one, but I think it might. It looks like if you don't get a good burnout, you're not gonna get good traction on this road. I've seen a few tires slip so far. Listen. Woo! He's gone. He didn't need no traction. Oh, the Mustang almost hit the wall. He got a little squirrely, but he took it back into control. All right, you guys, I gotta pause the video. I got an incoming call from my company.